manufacturers have tried to fix that problem by designing the pilot out of the cockpit. This is the first fully automated plane, flown by a computer.
Canadian Air Force Hornet fighter practicing for the show yesterday suddenly slammed nose first into the ground and exploded into a fireball. The pilot managed to eject. He was not seriously.
Totally out of control.
Oh no.
Okay, everyone, we do have...
That's not good.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do have emergency personnel who are prepared for this.
He stalled.
We have planned for this sort of an event. And we ask that you all remain where you are to let any emergency personnel by.
Make the whole thing on video.
To get right back up again from the hang-down position where your knees are locked. A lot of stomach. Okay, add to that a forward speed of 110 miles an hour. You're facing that wind. And then you have to fight the wind, and then you have to get yourself back upright. Now, you think that Jane is going to disappear from us. Now, she's still on that far side. Keep an eye on Jane. Keep an eye on Charlie. Watch this. Jane Wicker, sitting on top of the world.